Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to put an interactive world map into Microsoft Excel using the Bing add-in. So what we want to do first is we go to Insert and then we go to the Bing Maps add-in. And so now it's loaded, it's in there for us, and we can hover out to see the map. And now to put in all of our data. So we got a bunch of countries listed here, and we just got some different data that we want to plug in here. So we're just gonna highlight over it, and then all we got to do is click this little icon here, and now we have a full map of all of our data. It's pie charts of, we have the legend here, revenue, expenses. We can click on it and we can see the different data there. Another great thing that we can do as well is we can go into different views. We can go into a bird's eye view. We can change the colors if we want to add different colors. And we can even continue to just zoom in as much as we want to get a better look at the countries, um, the different data points, all of that. So, yeah, it's a really great feature, really helpful whenever you're trying to gather information, data for different locations. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe. Um, Anything else that you guys want me to touch on, leave a comment, let me know, and I'll get to those videos as quick as I can. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.